Hello and welcome to this 500R8 quick tutorial on using 500R8 without 500 series modules. 500R8 is a complete standalone USB audio interface, and every function can operate freely without any 500 series modules installed. Each 500 series slot can be independently bypassed by using dedicated slot bypass switches. When engaged, the slot bypass switches allows audio to pass freely to and from the converters and enables you to record line level signals directly into your DAW without a 500 series module in sight. To do this, we need to create a new track in the DAW and assign the input to the appropriate USB channel. We're going to use slot 6 to record, which corresponds with USB input channel 6. On 500R8, I simply need to connect an analog line level source to the rear XLR, engage the slot bypass switch for the desired slot, and make sure the module source switch is set to analog. Now I can begin recording. When a slot is bypassed, the analog XLRs and converters can accept up to plus 24 dBu input level, which allows you to connect mixing consoles, external preamps, and other hot output devices without fear of clipping your converters. You can even utilise 500R8's analog summing mixer in its full capacity, whilst the slot bypass switches are engaged. To do this, set the module source switches to USB, turn the monitor blade control to the mix position so we can monitor the summing mixer directly, and finally, send the outputs of your DAW tracks to the corresponding USB channels. We're using slots 3 to 8 for summing, and so we are patching to USB outputs 3 to 8. Now you can press play. The multitrack audio from the DAW is now being set into each slot separately, allowing us to mix and sum each track using the level and pan controls. At this point, you can then use dedicated insert points for each channel to apply analog processing such as EQ and compression using external 19-inch gear or similar. Once you're happy, 500R8 allows you to easily record that mix back into your DAW. Simply create a new stereo track in your DAW, set the inputs to receive USB channels 9 and 10, and press record. Each 500 series slot can be independently bypassed. This allows you to get the most out of your new toy as soon as you get it out of the box or whilst you build your 500 series module collection. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and check out the other videos in the series for more tutorials.